Hi, I'm Chef Casey Korn, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my fridge. I always have a big bag of purple daikon radishes. I love that they're like sweet and peppery and crunchy. Slice them and put them on avocado toast. Chop them up and put them in a salad. They're just like the best little kick. They also make your Instagram feed look really nice because they're like bright purple. So love those. We always have a lot of Cabot cheddar. My husband is English, so he only eats cheddar that is white and sharp, and Cabot makes the best. And then dips. We always have a ton of dips, like condiments, dips, things that enhance your food. Have hummus, always from Trader Joe's. Bitchin' sauce, it's my favorite dip. Ton of condiments, always. Dukes for sandwiches, because now I'm a Southern girl and you gotta have Dukes. Kewpie for everything else. Everything else. This mustard is so good. It's a local one. It's masala mustard from Piedmont Provisions. I kind of eat this by the spoonful. I would say don't tell anyone, but now you all know. Oh, tons of Asian-inspired ingredients. I love Japanese food. It's my favorite. I also got really into Chinese food when I lived in Brooklyn. Always have miso. Big bag of bonito flakes is always a must. Furikake. Sushi ginger. Chinese mustard and wasabi. Oh, here's a good one. My beautiful bottle of whiskey barrel aged shoyu. That's a really nice one.
What are you keeping stock for easy weeknight meals?
Oh man, okay, so my new thing I picked up when I had a kid is I switched from making all of my own stocks all the time to having like bouillon. So I went to Costco, I got like the giant things, and it just makes everything easier. You can make a stock, you can add it to a sauce. I'm just a really big fan. It's super easy. That's my pro tip.
Are there any ingredients that remind you of your childhood that really feel nostalgic to you?
Yes, so I grew up in LA. I always have avocados. I let them ripen on the counter. I stick them in the fridge when they're ready. We always have avocados, and it's like truly my childhood. And that's your tour of my fridge.